Marcus Pimpleton. Just
recording you saying that you're going to win.
I am going to win. Right now, I'm going to win.
It's in Amazon.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to explain what you just did?
Okay, first you got to wash the dominoes, which is basically just mix them all around. Everybody should touch it the first time, you know. Get a little, push it, twirl it around. You know, be a part of that. Okay, everybody pull 7. Okay, so whoever has, ooh, these are gross. Okay, whoever has the big 6 plays first.
I'll take 5.
Okay, so you can explain why that's 5.
Okay, so point system is based on intervals of 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, so on and so forth. And the only way you can get that is by getting a combination of numbers that add up to 5, 10, 15, 20. This combination is 5 because you have 5 and a blank. Blank is 0. These don't count until you put dominoes on either side of the big 6. So that is 5.
Yeah, I'm explaining how to get a 10.
Okay. Alright.
Because 5 plus 5 is 10 is 0. Now, because there's 2 horizontal ones, I can only play on this one because that's the very first one. So you can't put dominoes on this side.
The first domino, or the first double number domino, is also called the spinner. So, if you have the double blank,
Which I don't.
which you don't, that would get you.
10.
Okay, Mark.
I'll take a 5. You got that blank? I know you got that blank. Go ahead and put it down.
No, Marcus got blank. I seen it. Sorry, Marcus. My head was going.
Okay, so Austin,
Blank was
how many points are on the board?
9.
Mm-hmm. And 9 plus 1 equals 10. Told you.
teaching simple math.
This is an example of Chris having no defense.
9 plus
No.
6 equals 15.
It does.
Oh.
It really
This
does.
is that classic situation of, my situation being frail.
Right? And 15 plus 0 equals I'm still winning.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, I stay winning.
No, you don't. I'm coming back. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'll stay. Alright, someone grab big points. I'm not used to these dominoes.
That's another 20 right there.
Shit.
You're out.
Are you
Yeah.
out?
Okay. Alright, so since she's out, she gets the points that's left in the rest of her hands. So that adds 8, 10, 14 points. Round to the closest 5, so that's 15.
15.
I think the thing they printed said round up, but it's the closest. So if it was 12, you go down.
The person who's doing the domino.
Yeah,
So-
but you can explain it.
As you can see, I'm winning. So that's the key to first notice that unlike the printed thing, I stay winning. But lines are worth 5 and circles are worth 10. So the first thing I drew was just a 5 like that. Then if another 5 would be 10. And then in the boxes, it could be 10. So this is a total of 20, or this will be a total of 30. So each line is 5, and each circle is 10. And then each of these full boxes, tic-tac-toe things all filled up, is worth 50 points.
And it's called a house, right?
Yep,
And you get 5 houses to win the game.
yep, 250 points.
Which I'm gonna get first.
Not really, because you're in second to last place.
It's all good. It's the first round.
And I normally don't talk smack, but
It's the warm up, bro. It's all
just
good.
to clarify what's actually happening.
Whoa, hold on.
We gotta watch.
So the first person who got out is always the one to get it first again.
But you can grab them as soon as she touches them.
And also, after the first game is played, it doesn't matter who has the big six. She can play whatever she wants. I mean, if she wanted to, she can, but it's really up to her now. Watch what you put down, because you could miss big points and someone else can call them.
15.
It's all good. It's really all good.
I notice that every time you play, she has a number come out of her mouth. That's, not. That's just not the way I do it. I mean, other people do that, but traditionally,
We don't just have to wait points.
yeah, stopping the other person is kind of.
Now you really gotta explain what you just did.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you can't play, normally when you aren't playing 4 people, if you're playing 3 or 2 people, you'd have a boneyard, and if you can't play, you knock and you draw from the boneyard, hoping you would have something you play on. Unfortunately, we're playing 4, so there is no boneyard. Boneyard being extra dominoes you can pull from. So you knock, and then your turn goes to the next person. So when you knock, that means you can't play on what is on the board, which is a 2, 4, 5, or 1. Like 9-ish.
That's not a good number. Basically, that means that John has no defense.
Actually, that's not what that means.
This is due to John having no defense, and I will have to overcome that before she gets to
It means
5.
Chris isn't giving me dominoes to work with.
No,
That's
Chris
what that
passed.
means.
So Chris was letting
Right, that's
you-
the point. Had he not passed, I would have played something better.
I don't have any 4s.
Now, when you know someone doesn't have something to play on, you normally continue playing on there.
What?
So I'm counting.
Count? Are you counting?
Wait. Can I show?
We want you. Yeah, show it.
Okay,
show
so
it.
I have these, right?
Yes.
So if I look at this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's one more of those.
Mm-hmm.
And then looking at this one, there's 1, 2 on the board. 3 including mine.
Mm-hmm.
So 4 more of those.
No, 5.
So I'm gonna guess it's this one.
Did you guess right? That's the question.
There you go.
Thank you. I mean, gosh. You just have to set it all up for him and spell it all out.
I did that myself. So I was thinking myself. Don't take credit.
I don't think you were. I had to pretty
Don't take that
much
credit.
totally arrange the
It's
whole
all good.
board with
No,
those 3.
no
That's why I
rolling.
said, you notice at the beginning when she played the 3 and I played the double 3, I said, now you did it right? Because I knew that 3 was going to be the one. So the board is locked. So we all have dominoes, but all of the 5s are on the table and all the 0s are on the table, so nobody can play. So that's why the board is locked. So whoever has the lowest total in their hand gets the points in the other people's hands, minus what they have in their own hand. So show it. So that's going to be Chris. So Chris has 2. So we add up all the rest of these. So that's 8, 15, 19, 22, 30, minus 2, 28. So he still gets 30. So 10, 20, 30. Sophie is still winning, but since she's not getting points from the domino anymore, that's not going to be happening. So Chris won. That's true.
Yeah, Marcus gave it.
No. I want the record show that.
Can't see that score.
As it's written in the past and the present, Marcus still lost.